Hi there, traders, and welcome back to FXGK. On today's video, guys, you know your boys gotta bring it another daily insight on the volatility 75. So, with no further ado, gang, let's jump straight into this video. So yesterday, guys, I did say we must wait for price to come tap into this order block right here. We can see price is currently now at order block right here at our 4 hour, and we can see price rally all the way to the upside. So what we can see right now is that price is now coming to the downside. Why is price coming to the downside? If we just take a look at our 1 hour time frame right now, guys, that is basically where the things is basically taking play right now. As you guys can see on a 1 hour time frame, we did create this high, right? Create this higher low, this higher high. And there we can see price break out of this previous structure and sense of character to create this new low. With this new low, we come back to our 1 hour order block, and now we can see price is just ready here to the downside. So what we're gonna do right now as traders, guys, is wait for price to come tap into our 4 hour order block again. If price can create a double bottom for us on our order block right here, if you see something like this, then we can take a trading opportunity for price to come into this region or this region here at 427,954. Right, then we can expect price to continue to the upside. This is what I will wait for on my 1 hour time frame. I'm not gonna take a trade right here. As you guys can see, price is currently now trading at this. Right, is not a appropriate reason to take a trade because right price didn't break out of this structure point right here for us to say, okay, now we have a valid 1 hour order block right here to take a trade from. But that is not what price is telling us right now. So we must wait for price to come into this reason right here. So if price decided now, guys, to break under previous lows, guys, if price decide to do something like this right now, break under previous lows right here, retrace back, then we must just wait for price to come into our next significant key market level. So this is also a level, guys, that I'm actually waiting for price to come tap into. As you guys can see, we have previously strong supply from this reason. That is why I would say let's wait for price to trade from this reason. If price decide to break this structure point, we must wait for price to come into this zone before we can take any trading opportunity. I know you guys like, but why can't we counter trend? Because right, guys, we are in a bullish market, and to take counter trends is really risky, right? Because why? If you didn't watch my previous videos, guys, you guys can just check it out. What I say, if you're trading in a downward market right there, right? I'm just and you starting to let me just remove this thing quickly. All right, we can see creating lower highs and lower lows. So you want to take buys from here, right? What price can easily do is just do this, right? And do this. So you always gotta your probability is not gonna be right, right? To take shells right now from this reason is gonna be risky, guys. You take shells, keep a stop under here, expecting price to come into this reason, right? And we're not trading with expectations, right? We're trading with probabilities. We're trading what the market is basically showing us. So what we can see right now is that price is creating lower highs and lower lows. So we must expect price to come into our reason right here, and then we can take price to the upside, or price is showing us that okay, we see our entry pattern right here from this reason. If price rate is double bottom right here, something like this, then we can take a trading opportunity, guys. That is basically what I'm saying for all of you guys who's watching my videos, guys. So I'm not gonna be long on this video. This is basically what I can see, what is basically happening on the voltage 75. So I'm also trading the VIX 25. Let me just take a glimpse there. For you guys who my VIPs know that we're killing the volatility 25 every single day, guys. So as you guys can see, we currently in profit there as well. We're running we run really strong in profit. This was a plain simple trade, guys. I did break it down in my free and also in my the VIX War Room mentorship, guys. If you guys want to check it out, you guys can just go to the about in our YouTube channel, and you guys can just sign up there for free. So this is it for this video, guys. So keep in mind just to wait for that setup on 75 before we're gonna execute, guys. So if you got value from this video, guys, please let your boy know and give your boys a thumbs up and turn on the notification, because why I want you guys to get these videos once I dropped it. Because why? I don't want you to miss out on money, right? I don't want you guys to miss out on money. We all want to have money, right? So don't miss out on free money, guys. So it's your boy FXGK. I'm signing off.